I hate flowers.
Welcome to Grumble Goat. My name is Matt Labodka, and this is a show about all the small things that drive me insane. Let's grumble.
Gentlemen, Valentine's Day is upon us. And so it is our duty to go forth and figure out where you can purchase flowers. Yes, the beautiful little buds that grow for free out of the ground. We have to go into a store and buy a bouquet of not quite yet dead flowers. And what do we spend on these? These tulips and roses that grow out of the ground. Well, 3 roses is going to set us back $60. $60? Now, I know that that's surge pricing because these flower shops make all their annual budget in basically 3 holidays. So Valentine's Day's the big one. So go big or go home, sure. But in the days of globalization and Amazon Prime shipping, when I can order a knockoff Stanley thermal cup from China to be delivered in 2 days for less than $20, how is a thicket of weeds costing $60 when I walk to the store myself? These flowers just die in 3 days. What is the purpose of buying these things? Are we running out of bees? Isn't that a thing? If we keep ripping the flowers out of the ground, what are the bees going to eat? Oh, Matt, you've never received flowers. You don't know how it is. I have received flowers, and it is a nice gesture getting a bouquet of flowers. But if somebody handed me some origami flowers, it would mean just the same. If somebody folded the origami themselves, it would mean even more than the flowers. What is it? Is the colors? The colors are nice. Is it the scent? Because to me, the scent is kind of earthy, you know? But it means something to someone. And so on this day, the day of keeping flower shops in business, then yes, I go forth and I spend my tithing on the flower gods. But it seems so trivial and meaningless. We have plants that live around the apartment. I like those. I like those being here, but I don't take them and rip off the roots and put it in a jar and just look at it for 3 days while it dies. We water them, keep them alive. Who likes watching a rapid-paced death? This is the representation of love. This is the essence of love, something that's ripped from its roots and slowly dies, suffocating over the course of 3 days. That makes it just as much sense as buying a bunny and putting it in an aquarium and letting it suffocate. Look how cute that bunny is. But I get it. That one, the smell, that's a different smell. I get it now. It's the smell. Okay, and that's why you like the flowers. As they die, they smell nice. I hate flowers, and that's the grumble.
Grumble, 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 grumble.
What?
Grumble, 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 grumble. What's got your goat?
For the latter half of the show, we'll bring in my better half, Veronique, for an unpretentious look and a segment we call
What's got your goat?
It's a nice, fun color you're wearing.
Do you like this?
I do.
Thought I'd wear something a little red.
Yeah, a little red.
Yeah.
Little Valentine's Day.
Well, you're wearing something Valentine's-y.
Yes, I'm hearts and love everywhere.
Hearts and love everywhere.
Yes.
That's what this day is about.
Appreciation.
Hearts and love everywhere.
Yay!
Yay! Hearts and love and chocolates.
And Care Bear stare.
Yeah, you got a heart all over your chest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All over them. I have multiple.
All right, are you excited about Valentine's Day?
I don't know what we're doing for Valentine's Day.
What do we do? Oh, is Matt going to surprise you on Valentine's
Oh my
Day?
gosh, I don't know. Are you going to surprise me on Valentine's Day?
Oh gosh, no, I just dug myself a hole. We're both working on Valentine's Day.
Okay, so that's the thing. You're working during the day, and I am going to work in the evening.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we're not going to see each other.
We're not gonna see each other.
Our croths don't have to pass on Valentine's
The
Day.
entire day.
That's fantastic.
I will not see you.
I love that.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
great.
you.
How do you feel about that?
I'm fine with it because we usually celebrate the day before or the day after or sometime
Right.
2 weeks later. I mean, it doesn't matter.
Because everything is overpriced on Valentine's
Every
Day.
day is Valentine's Day for us.
It's surge pricing.
We put a I love you bub coffee every day on each other's coffees.
Yeah, we do.
dessert
It's
coffees.
the little things that remind each other.
Valentine's Day is every day.
Valentine's Day is redundant. Frankly,
it's so overpriced.
so overpriced. It's overhyped. Forget it. You know what? Let's forget Valentine's
It's
Day.
amateur hour. Are you an amateur?
No, I'm a pro.
I'm a
Because
pro.
I remind you how much I love you every day.
Every day
That's
we
right.
remind each other how much
Every
we
day.
love each other.
We don't
Every
need a day.
No.
It doesn't fall on one specific
No.
day of the year.
It's never one day. It's every day.
Every day.
Every day.
And boy, do you remind me every single
I
day
know.
that my responsibility is reminding you,
That you
how
love-
we feel about each
That
other.
we love each other.
Oh, so I get out of Valentine's Day.
Yeah, we both do. It's great. We make cards for each other if we get around to it.
Right. We make cards for each other. That's what we do. In the weeks after Valentine's Day,
Maybe
when
it's
one of us
March.
remembers, we'll make a card for each
Make a
other.
card for
But
each
we
other.
make it by hand out of
Yes.
construction paper.
Yeah.
And that means way more than a date on the calendar.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
What are your expectations for Valentine's Day?
Well, as we just discussed, I don't have any.
Okay, that's great.
But our relationship isn't like other people's relationships.
Okay.
And I think the expectations are high on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Yes, I see the long stem roses come
the
out.
roses.
And I didn't even know that roses could be that long.
They called long stem. Do they come in short stem, or is it just a matter of how much you clip?
It's a bush.
It's a bush.
It's a bush.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know how they grow long-stemmed roses.
Huh, interesting.
Yeah.
Where do all these roses come from all of a sudden? All of a sudden on Valentine's Day, every man in America is buying roses.
Oh, yeah. Well,
How all of a sudden do we have so many roses?
well, roses are fragrant.
Oh, okay.
They're one of the most beautiful flowers.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Is it
yeah.
because of that velvety texture?
Velvety texture. There's layers, just like
Like an ogre.
just like there's layers in love.
Oh, okay.
what I was trying to get at.
That's it's just like the love
The
has
love just
layers to
blossoms
it.
out.
Okay.
Yes.
Name the layers of love.
Okay.
Is this like Dante's layers of hell?
Okay. Wait, are we being serious or are we kidding? No.
We're always serious.
Okay, we're gonna be
We're
serious.
always serious.
Okay. Appreciation.
Oh, you have them listed out?
Well, I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Off the top of my head.
Great.
You asked me a question, I'm responding.
Okay.
That's because we listen to each other because we love each other every day. And we're honest with each
Okay,
other.
appreciation.
Even though we get overwhelmed sometimes.
What's next?
Okay, appreciation. Gratitude.
Gratitude.
Okay.
That's it. Oh, we thank each other for
Yeah,
things.
yeah. Being cozy, snuggling.
Cozy, that's number 3.
Yeah, that's number
cozy.
3.
Cozy is
Yeah.
number 3. Okay.
Comfort.
Comfort, cozy.
Comfort cozy.
Comfort cozy is number
Yeah,
3.
yeah.
Okay, great.
Cookies.
4 is cookies?
Cookies. Sweets.
Are we talking about like internet cookies? Like we keep track of each other's wants and needs?
Yes, exactly. That we're internet cookies. Internet cookies. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go with toys.
Toys. Okay. Well, this is a G-rated podcast. We don't have to go into that.
We always need to be excited.
Our household, very excitable.
Very excited.
Now, not everybody lives up to the 5 layers of love every single day.
No, that's
So
right.
they're looking forward to that Valentine's Day.
There's a 6th layer of love.
Oh, there's
just like there's
I thought
6
we were
senses.
okay. I thought we were done. Just like there's 6 layers to a rose,
Yeah.
there's 6 layers to love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a sense of humor.
Sense of humor. Okay, that's part of love.
Thank you. Yeah, it is, because if your partner doesn't make you laugh, it's going to be very depressing.
It's a long road.
It's a long road.
It's a long
Like,
road trip if you don't make each other laugh.
Exactly. If you can't find a common denominator, if you can't observe crazy behavior and say, what is going on with that? And riff on it and just make each other laugh, come together.
Sometimes you see people out at the restaurant, even on Valentine's Day,
Yeah.
and you're like, why are you two together?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you two don't seem to be like exhibiting the 6 layers of love right now.
It's very interesting because you do see many different couples.
Mm-hmm.
But what I see more than anything else on Valentine's Day,
is flowers.
desperation.
Oh.
No. Desperation.
Desperation.
Yes.
Okay.
Need. I need.
Is that now which gender is that coming from? Or is it both? The guys are desperate to get some chocolates before they have their reservation?
They're desperate to show that they care
Okay.
for their person.
Okay. And desperation from the ladies, maybe? From like, I need him to show me something. Just give me something.
It's interesting. Thank you for bringing this up, because each gender has a different desperation, right? The flowers say one thing, the chocolates say one thing, but the lingerie outfits that one wears into the restaurant is also desperation.
You say that chocolate means something and the flowers mean something. What does the chocolate mean?
It's just, I'm thinking of you.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
What do the flowers mean?
Well, that means you're just as sweet and
So chocolate doesn't mean sweet.
No.
Flowers mean
Yes.
sweet. Chocolate
Yes.
means you're thinking of
Yes,
me.
yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
great.
Yeah, thank you.
That didn't
Yeah.
sound right.
No, not at all. Chocolates are, I'm thinking of you, and the roses are, you are so sweet.
Okay.
Thank you for loving me.
Okay.
Thank you for the clarification. Now, the lingerie outfits are, come over here later.
Oh, come over here later.
Yeah.
Not now.
No, you have to buy me dinner. Yeah, dinner.
Buy me dinner. You have to buy me chocolates and flowers and then dinner.
Yeah.
I wear the outfit.
And I wear the outfit.
Why aren't the chocolates and the flowers expectation on the women then?
You know, I bought you flowers before.
You did. Yeah. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Yeah. What's my favorite flower?
A sunflower.
That is my favorite flower.
Yay!
Big and bright and round. Yeah. Tabby.
And it goes to the sun.
It goes to the sun.
Yeah.
Until you pluck it and give it to somebody, then it stops going toward the sun.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
It keeps going for the sun?
It keeps going for the sun.
Like it's trying to escape my grasp?
No, that if it's in some water, because if it's not facing the sun, then it's like, I'm sad.
What do you like about the flowers?
Oh, they're so pretty.
Oh.
I love flowers. I really love flowers. I think flowers are so pretty and so special, and they smell so delicious. And thankfully, I'm not allergic to flowers.
Yeah. Yeah. Because you have a sensitivity to perfume.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I cannot do perfume.
Isn't most perfume like emulating flowers? Isn't that the purpose?
It's not.
Oh.
Okay. It's not.
Okay.
Yes.
So they're so pretty.
They're so pretty.
But they're not pretty for very long, are they?
Well, you can dry them. You can have dried flowers.
Okay, so you can swiffen the process of them being dead.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But you gotta wait. You gotta wait a little bit.
Okay.
Because plants are incredible. Plants are. I was about to say that plants are incredible animals.
Plants are incredible animals.
But you know what? They are animals.
They are.
They have feelings.
They have personalities.
You know, if you talk to the plants, they grow better.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know, there was a study that they brought two plants into an office. And one of the plants, they say, now we want everyone to talk words of appreciation to this plant.
Thank
we're
you,
going to
plant.
water them the same.
Okay.
Plant appreciation flourished,
Oh.
grew strong, watered the same. Negative plant died.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did they think about putting the negative plant in the window?
You know, I don't know where they placed them, but my point is
Yeah.
that when people feel appreciated, they live longer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they have a reason to live. They have purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And flowers have no purpose.
No, flowers have so many purposes.
Okay.
we can
let's go through the
repurpose-
6 purposes of
Okay.
flowers.
We can make wreaths with them.
Make wreaths.
That's right. We
Okay.
can make bouquets with them.
bouquets and wreaths.
They can be in vases.
Okay.
Yes. Make people feel something.
Okay.
And it's a spark. The sixth sense of the flower is the spark.
That's the spark.
That's the spark.
That's the spark. So that's where a lot of these California wildfires are coming from.
Yes, yes, the spark of flames.
Yeah.
Love flames everywhere.
Yeah, forget raking the forests.
No.
We got to cut down all these California wildflowers are causing all these wildfires.
Now, when I have to let go of flowers when they have dried or they're starting to get moldy,
Mm-hmm.
I always like to say, thank you.
That'll help them grow.
Well, it'll help me throw them away. I have bought myself flowers before.
You bought in yourself flowers.
Yeah.
And how did that go? Did you get lucky?
It was great. I did get lucky. I loved them because when you are in control of how you feel, you can make yourself feel really great no matter what. I can buy myself flowers.
I can buy myself flowers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Now, did you ever get flowers that you didn't want?
All of them? Is that an answer?
No, I'm never buying you flowers again.
Yeah. Have you ever gotten flowers you didn't want?
No, never. I've always wanted all the flowers I've ever gotten. I did receive flowers that I did not expect. And because of the intention behind the flowers, I was not as happy as I usually am.
So we didn't quite, we skipped layer 3.
That's
Went right to surprise.
So we went to surprise.
Whoa, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This was from a secret admirer, I take it?
It wasn't a secret, but it was a boundary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't you remember seeing them? When we first met,
Mm-hmm.
you met me at my place of work, and you had these a nice little beautiful bouquet of reasonable flowers for the amount of time that we were dating. And there was a sunflower in there, and this was really beautiful. And you gave me these flowers. And then you walked into my apartment, and you walked into the kitchen, and you said, "Oh, who are those from?"
Now I do remember this. Yeah.
Those are those long stems.
Yeah, those were those long stems.
Long stems.
Yeah, they were. I was a little intimidated.
Yeah. And I was like, "Oh, don't mind those. Never mind. Don't even look at them. It's fine."
Those 3 dozen roses, don't worry about that. Read nothing into that.
Yeah.
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 So flowers can do many different things.
Yeah, you're right. Flowers have inspired emotions in me.
Yes, that's right.
This has been an episode of Grumble Goat.
Thanks for listening.
I'm Matt Labatka.
I'm Veronique Hurley. Please subscribe.
I hate when people say please subscribe.
Grumble, grumble, grumble.
What I see more than anything else on Valentine's Day
Is flowers.
desperation.
Oh. We did it. We've conquered another one of life's little annoyances. But the truth is, what I really hate is commercials. And I'll wager you do too. And that's why Grumble Goat is proudly commercial-free. But to keep it that way, it takes the support of fellow grumblers like you. If you hate commercials, head on over to our Patreon page and see if becoming a Grumble Kid is right for you. And as always, don't forget to Grumble Goat responsibly and share with a friend.
Grumble, 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 grumble. Pa, pa, pa,